If there's anything I can do, just call on me and I'll send it along with love from me to you. They got all the care we want, and their hearts are oh so true. Just call on them and they'll help you along with love from me to you.
Hello! You can see my shoulder there, but I just want to give you a nice surprise. How are you all doing today? You feeling great? I'm feeling fantastic. I just want to say that with this Home Not Alone project, we are feeling so energized and happy writing cards to all the people who need them the most. Who are we writing these cards for? It's for people who are in the houses who unfortunately won't be able to come out because of these circumstances, basically being shielded. So we write these cards to brighten their day, make them smile, and to say to them that they're not alone, we can get through this together, and just be you. And also writing lovely messages encouraging them to be saying, thinking about yous, you're not alone, we can do this together. Now I'm going to say more about the collaborations again. But there'll be some different ones. Collaboration. We are in collaboration with Sandfield Park School, Growing Happy, More Than 7, and the Liverpool City Council. Who have done fine work to get us all together to do these cards to make everyone happy. I think it's time for another tutorial from Holly, as I pass you over to Holly herself. Take it away, Holly.
Thanks, Jordan. Hi everyone, I'm Holly from Growing Happy, and today we're going to be making a Northamptonshire rose card. What you're going to need for today's card is a white piece of paper folded in half, a blue pencil, yellow, orange, red, green, and then a black pen or pencil if you have one, and a normal pencil. So we're going to start by drawing a circle in the centre of our card with our pencil, and then we can start drawing the petals. And the Northamptonshire rose has 5 petals, so it looks like a bit of a starfish. The next thing we're going to do is add the leaves between each of the petals, so it's starting to look more like a flower. Then from each of the top of the petals we're going to draw some larger rose petals, and they're going to connect each of the tips of the other petals. So now we're starting to form our rose, and the final thing we're going to do is same in between the petals in the middle, little triangular leaves between each of the larger petals. And there we go. So there's our rose. And then the next thing we're going to grab, if you have one, if not, don't worry, is a glass. And we're going to place it, I'm going to place it to the left of the rose, but you can put it wherever you fancy. And we're going to draw around the glass to give us an outline to follow for our rainbow. And then you're going to draw 4 or 5 rainbow lines. And then I'm going to write the Home Not Alone hashtag around the bottom of the Lancashire rose. And then there's lots of space around the bottom that you can do your own drawings in. And then I'm going to take my red pencil and I'm going to colour in the centre of my rose. I'm then going to colour in my big petals, so the ones on the outside, in red. I'm then going to colour in the red part of my rainbow. And then I'm going to take my green. I'm going to take my orange. And then finally my blue. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it this week, and looking forward to seeing all of your different designs. I'm going to hand back over to Jordan to finish off this video.
Thanks for that, Holly. It was quite interesting, wasn't it? I've got my pens and I've got my pen, paper and colouring ready to draw it. I want to thank everyone involved in this project because of the amount of lives that we have changed and helped. One card, one text, one word, one chat to any one of them will make their day. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone creates. And we could also be making new friends during this period as well. In my own experiences during this pandemic, I've made lots of new friends. Spoken to people I'd never spoken before. Spoken to people from other parts of the country. We will be united and we will be stronger when we get out of this pandemic. Let us keep making everyone happy. Let us keep going. We can't stop now. We've come through this so far. Keep going. Believe in you. Stay strong. Stay safe. And we'll get through this together.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself,